Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use eToro Markets. eToro is a leading online trading platform that allows users to trade a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. In this tutorial, we will explore the benefits of using eToro Markets and provide practical examples to help you get started. First, let's discuss the key concepts of eToro Markets. eToro operates on a social trading model, which allows users to connect with other traders, share knowledge, and learn from each other's experiences. This model provides a unique opportunity for users to tap into the collective wisdom of the trading community and make informed investment decisions. One of the primary reasons to use eToro Markets is the diversity of trading options. eToro offers a vast range of financial instruments, including over 2,000 stocks, 50 currency pairs, and a variety of commodities and cryptocurrencies. This allows users to diversify their portfolios and trade on a wide range of markets, reducing their risk exposure and increasing their potential for profit. Another significant advantage of eToro Markets is the user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible to traders of all levels, from beginners to experienced professionals. eToro also provides a range of educational resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and online courses, to help users improve their trading skills and stay up to date with market trends. In addition to its social trading model and diverse trading options, eToro Markets also offer a range of practical benefits. For example, users can trade with leverage, which allows them to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. eToro also offers a range of risk management tools, including stop-loss orders and take-profit orders, to help users manage their risk exposure and protect their investments. To get started with eToro Markets, simply create an account, deposit funds, and begin trading. You can start by exploring the different markets and instruments available, and then use the social trading features to connect with other traders and learn from their experiences. It's also essential to develop a trading strategy and set clear goals to help you stay focused and achieve your investment objectives. In conclusion, eToro Markets offer a unique and powerful trading experience, with a wide range of financial instruments, a user-friendly interface, and a social trading model that allows users to connect with other traders and learn from their experiences. By following best practices, such as diversifying your portfolio, managing your risk exposure, and staying up to date with market trends, you can unlock the full potential of eToro Markets and achieve your investment goals.